Okay, so what we need, this right here, number 10. That right there. Let's get this. It's gonna look dope, right?
Yeah. I can't wait for this.
One. Two. And three. Go. Careful not to lose this fucker. Make sure you unclip this wire right here. And that's what holds this on. Wires unclipped. Go down. And there we are. Then we got 1 and 2, and then you got your clip. Don't worry about this bullshit. Let's see if it's this number 10. And it's a number 10 again. Yeah, nice and easy.
Everything's a number 10, bro.
With this car, yeah, it really is.
Alright.
With the brakes.
Brakes for sure. Number 10. Should I get a rag for that shit?
Yeah, maybe a little bit. Yeah, we'll clean that before we assemble it. We'll just test it first. Flathead. Yeah. Shining light over here. There you go. That should just pop right out. Huh?
Something fell.
Yeah, I think it was some tape. Okay. Now the clip looked the same, so hopefully it's just plug and play. That's what we always aim for. Well, this?
The wire?
No.
Oh, that goes right.
Yeah, I'm gonna feed it through. Is it this way or the other way?
No.
Other way. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yep. Pull that wire?
This?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Oh, that shit looks fresh as fuck. Alright, hold on. Hold this up?
Yeah.
Sometimes with this shit, so we'll plug it in and we'll see if it works. If not, then we're gonna plug it in backwards. Sometimes backwards works. It's just weird like that sometimes. When it comes to the aftermarket headlights and taillights, could be backwards sometimes. All right, now go tap that brake. Just hit the brake. What'd you do? You put that? Just hit the brake, did you? Oh, just hit the brake. It's not gonna turn on unless you hit the brake. Are you hitting the brake? Yup, and just like that we got it. It looks beautiful. It really does. It looks great.
What's up?
You see it? Or no?
It's not on.
See it?
Oh my God, yes.
It looks beautiful, right?
Oh, yeah.
And just like that, it's done. And to put it back together, you just gotta reverse the process. So you got 1, 2, put the bolts on, try to tuck the wires, and 1 and 2, and then the other 3. So just reverse the process to make it work. If yours doesn't work, sometimes you gotta flip this backwards. Okay, we're gonna cut the video, we're gonna clean this up, and that's it.